Juma yawe kamadaga yo yangwe komweri yo mwena NTHUKU mirongo na inyani ndi Mandagitari rungura KMPDU ibatumirĩtie Kuthira kwa Mugomo yo na kuromba Mandagitari ucoka ngwene gwetana mbere kwa Kenya utungata bwogima bobo kujiri nyuma ya THIRIKARI na Mandagitari wetikaniririe na wikira kirore MUBANGIRE URITI ngwe ya Kenya nkabone bethirite nindi baikulukaira kaita kakenya mara kumania na Mugomo yo yithirite yurio.
Strike that began on 13th of March 2024 has been called off. The government has insisted to us that there are different government and there are different persons in office, that we need to believe in them, that they are not conmen. And therefore we have decided that despite having said and stated that we do not go home with promissory notes, we have decided to take the promise for the last time. But as we take this, I must say that one of the fundamental issues, that is the matter of doctor interns, is still pending.
Finally, now that we have a return to work formula, my friends, let us go back to work. All the names that you called me, I want to wash them away today. And should we as a ministry have erred in any way, today marks a new beginning.
We will be continuing with the process of dialogue and negotiation with the other outstanding institutions that we haven't yet settled, because the commitment of the Council of Governors is to ensure that we're providing seamless service delivery to the people that elected us.
It is easy to put a signature on the paper. It is easy for KMPDU to just pick the mic and say we have called off a strike. But the real work begins now. The implementation of what we have agreed upon is the beginning of the journey to make sure that we never have any more of this and call for disagreements that lead to strike. For the beginning, we have their need for the health for people of Kenya because of the floods. Cholera has just struck in some parts of the country, and therefore what the KMPDU SG has said that the doctors can go back within 24 hours. The 24 hours should begin now. SG call on for duty. Health cannot wait. We'd even wish they can go back in the next few minutes, because we really want our health to be back on track.